Dear students, welcome to online classes. This is J. Murali Krishna, lecturer in commerce, SVKP and Dr. K.S. Raju, Arts and Science College, Autonomous, Penugonda, West Godavari district. So, in this final year, 5th semester, I would like to introduce what are the papers we are having. So, first of all, in final BCom, for general students, in 5th semester, we are having total 6 theoretical papers. Apart from that, one project. Those 6 papers entitled as the first one, business leadership for 50 marks, cost accounting 100 marks consisting 25 marks internals and 75 marks end semester examinations. And the third one, goods and service tax fundamentals. It is also 100 marks paper consisting 25 marks internal examinations and 75 marks end semester examinations. And the fourth one, commercial geography. It is also 100 marks paper having 25 marks internals and 75 marks end semester examinations. And 2 electives we are having, those are cluster elective 1 and cluster elective 2. Regarding these 2 papers, I will give you the details in due course of time. So with the above 6 papers, we are having a project work. This project work should be in continuation of the cluster 1 and cluster 2 what you are going to choose in. So these are the papers for general students in the 5th semester. And coming to computer application students, for the computer application students, you are having also 7 papers. These 7 papers entitled, the first one, business leadership for 50 marks, and the second one, cost accounting for 100 marks consisting 25 marks internals and 75 marks end semester examinations. And the third one, taxation. It is also 100 marks paper consisting 25 marks internals and 75 marks end semester examinations. And the fourth one, commercial geography. It is also 100 marks paper consisting 25 marks internals and 75 marks end semester examinations. And the fifth one, banking theory and practice. This is also 100 marks paper consisting 25 marks internal examinations and 75 marks end semester examinations. And the sixth one, computer related paper, that is database management system. It is also 100 marks paper, 75 marks internals and 25 marks mid semester examinations and 75 marks end semester examinations. And finally, web technology. It is also 100 marks paper consisting 25 marks internal examinations and 75 marks end semester examinations. Once you go back, for general and computer application students, the common papers are business leadership, cost accounting and commercial geography. Now in this semester, I would like to take commercial geography paper for both general students and computer application students. Once you go through the syllabus of the commercial geography paper, the commercial geography subject consisting 5 units. Unit 1, the earth. Under this, we will see the internal structure of the earth, latitudes, longitudes, realms of earth and evolution of earth. And apart from that, we will also see environmental pollution, global warming and measures to be taken to protect the earth. And in the second unit, we will see the India agriculture. In that, we will see the land use, soils, major crops, food and non-food crops, importance of agriculture, problems in agriculture and agricultural development. And in the third unit, we will see India forestry. So in this unit we have to see forests, that is forests in Andhra Pradesh, Forest Conservation Act 1980, Compensatory Afforestation Fund CAF Bill 2015, Forest Right Act 2006 and its behavior, need for protection of forestry. And in fourth unit we have to see minerals and mining. Relating to that, we have to see renewable and non-renewable resources, use of minerals, mines, coal mines, byrates, etc. with reference to the Singarani coal mines and Mangambeta barytes and district-wise profile. And in the last unit, we have to see India water resources and rivers. In that, we have to see water resources, rationality and equitable use of water, protection measures of rivers, peninsular and non-peninsular rivers, interlinking of rivers, experience of India and Andhra Pradesh. So relating to this subject, we are having several reference books. So you can go through the references books in our esteemed library. And apart from that, for time to time updations, you can check the internet also. And coming to commercial geography end semester examination pattern. So this is common paper for both BCom General and BCom Computer Application students. So this paper time duration is 3 hours and maximum 75 marks. The entire paper is consisting two sections. Section A, it is only for short notes. 8 short notes will be given from all those 5 units. Among 8 short notes, you have to select and answer only 5. That is open choice. And in section B, there will be 5 essay questions with internal choice, that is either A or B. That means each question is having 2 questions with internal choice. Each question will be given from each unit. That means first question will be given from first unit, second from second unit, third from third unit. Similarly, fourth and fifth units will be covered in the essay questions. So you have to plan accordingly to secure more marks. So in point of examination, each and every unit is equal importance. Thank you, my dear students.